So distillation is the process of getting distilled water from the boiled water by evaporating and collecting that evaporated water into another conical flask. So after certain time it will cool down and it will become as a water. That water is called as distilled water. Here we are keeping a conical flask on the top of the Bunsen burner like this and boil the water, and with the help of a whole rubber cork we can fix a tube like this rubber tube, and fix another end of that rubber tube into the another conical flask. So glass tube we can fix by for collecting that evaporated and condensed water into another conical flask. So this evaporated and condensed water is called collected water from the evaporation is called distilled water. Is it okay? This process is called distillation. So evaporated water we are collecting, Nana. We are collecting. That one is called as distillation, and the collected water is called distilled water. Whatever we are observing in hospitals and all, they will use this term distilled water in laboratories also. For mixing injection powder, they will use distilled water. What is the distilled water? Evaporated collection of water and condensed back. That type of water is called distilled water. So this is pure N2. Yes, distilled water. Another extra substances may remains in this water only. We are collecting pure water from the water like this. So this process is called distillation. Again you read this video, okay? Again you listen this video and understand this concept, okay, Nana, Kaushik? Understand this concept again. So while coming to the crystallization is the process. We are getting salt from the sea water. How we are getting salt from the sea water? We are getting salt from the sea. Is it correct? We are getting salt from the sea. So sea water is captured in wide pans, Nana, like this, wide pans, and is exposed to air and sunlight, which is exposed to air and sunlight. So then what will happen? Water will evaporate into the atmosphere and the remaining substance salt will be remains there in that pans. So we can collect that salt. So this is the process we are using for getting salt from the sea water. So this is called as crystallization and this is called as distillation. I think you got clear idea on both of these. Okay. So read the question answers whatever they have given in your school. Okay, na? Is it okay for you?